For Australian investors who typically have most of their eggs in the domestic equities basket, Argo Infrastructure offers exposure to an actively managed portfolio of global listed infrastructure companies through a single ASX-listed stock. Our straightforward listed investment company structure filters out the administrative complexity of investing overseas and offers the opportunity to receive franked dividends. Infrastructure provides the essential services vital to economic progress and everyday life. These are long-life assets built to last many decades, and they're difficult to replace. For the companies that own these assets, they generate consistent and predictable income, and often with pricing mechanisms linked to inflation. On the ASX, there are only about a dozen infrastructure stocks. They tend to be mature businesses, and they're limited to a handful of types of infrastructure assets, like roads and airports. But beyond Australia's shores, there are hundreds of infrastructure stocks, and combined, their market capitalisation is roughly double the entire ASX. These stocks span both developed and emerging economies and every type of infrastructure asset, including wireless communications towers, water utilities, pipelines, and other assets not accessible on our local share market. Increasingly, there are also opportunities among overseas infrastructure stocks to invest in renewable energy utilities, such as wind, solar, and hydropower. Argo Infrastructure is managed by Argo Investments, which brings considerable experience in the LIC space as one of Australia's oldest and largest LICs. Management of Argo Infrastructure's portfolio is outsourced to Cohen Steers, one of the world's largest and most highly respected investors in listed infrastructure. Cohen Steers is listed on the New York Stock Exchange and has an experienced team of analysts across the globe providing insights from on the ground. The global listed infrastructure universe is large and highly liquid. This gives an active investor like Cohen Steers a great deal of flexibility. As conditions change and opportunities arise, they can quickly and easily adjust portfolio allocations to preferred geographies and subsectors. In contrast, investing in private unlisted infrastructure assets typically requires large capital outlays and long lock-up periods. Listed infrastructure also offers transparency and superior corporate governance. Argo Infrastructure shares trade on the ASX under the code ALI. The only costs to invest are stockbroking charges. You can find out more about becoming an Argo Infrastructure shareholder on our website at argoinfrastructure.com.au.